Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood creamy soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready. This includes about 1 pound of mixed seafood, such as shrimp and scallops, along with finely diced aromatics like 1 medium onion and 2 celery stalks. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. You'll also need about 4 cups of seafood or vegetable broth. Next, we'll build the foundational flavors for our delicious soup. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add your diced onions and celery, cooking them until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 1 minute until it's aromatic. Briefly sear your seafood in the same pot just until it starts to turn opaque, then remove it. Now let's create that rich, creamy broth. After removing the seafood, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the pot with the cooked vegetables, stirring for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly whisk in 4 cups of seafood or vegetable broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and stir in 2 cups of heavy cream. Let it warm through without boiling. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently return your seared seafood to the simmering creamy broth. Allow it to heat through for just a few minutes. Avoid overcooking the seafood to keep it tender. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of fresh dill or parsley. Serve your homemade creamy seafood soup hot, perhaps with some crusty bread on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.